If you're looking for a gentle, natural and effective way to manage period pain, keep watching. In this video, you'll learn all about castor oil packs. I'm Marianne Loving and welcome to Loving Your Health, where we chat all things women's health, hormones, fertility and menopause. So let's get started. Castor oil packs are an age-old remedy known for their anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. In Chinese medicine, we see them as warming and moving for energy and blood, which clears stagnation, resolving pain. Here's what you'll need: high-quality organic castor oil, a piece of natural undyed soft cloth or flannel that is the size of the area that you are treating, plastic wrap or an old towel, and a heating pad. It is recommended that you wear old, loose clothing that you don't mind getting stained by the oil. Step 1. Place the cloth into a container and pour a generous amount of castor oil onto your cloth. Make sure it's well saturated but not dripping. Step 2. Place the cloth over your lower abdomen where you generally experience pain. Cover it with plastic wrap or a towel to prevent the oil from staining your clothes. Step 3. Place the heating pad over the plastic wrap or towel and lie down in a comfortable position. The heat will help the castor oil penetrate deeply into your skin. Relax there for at least 30 minutes and up to an hour. Step 4. When you're finished, remove the pack and place it back into the container and pop it in the fridge to use at your next session. Each cloth can be used up to 30 times before replacing. Give your skin a quick wipe with your towel and you're done. You can repeat this process around 3 to 4 times a week as needed. Castor oil packs should not be used while menstruating, pregnant, breastfeeding, or after ovulation if you are actively trying to conceive. And that's it. Using castor oil packs is a simple, natural way to ease period pain and promote relaxation. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.